Ang ganda ng mga samples mo. They're absolutely fabulous. You've outdone yourself again, huh?
Thank you, Miss Chelina.
Oh, ba't ang baba ng energy mo? Aren't you proud of what you've accomplished? You should be excited. Showcase na yung RTW line mo.
Excited and happy naman po, Miss Chelina. Kaya lang, parang hindi ko po yata kayang pasanin ng victory kung wala naman po akong pag-share ng mga achievements ko. Parang nakaka-indigestion po pala ang sobrang happiness. Kasi wala naman po akong kahati sa saya na nararamdaman ko.
You know, sweetheart, it's not easy to be on top. That's the price you pay for success. Talagang ganon. And if I may advise you, don't be like me, katulad nung dati. Nako, sa kagustuhan kong to stay at the top, I pushed a lot of people away. Even Franco.
Franco? Sino naman po si Franco?
He was the love of my life. Yung lalaking akala ko, we would be together hanggang pagtanda namin. But because I was so ambitious, napabayaan ko ang relasyon namin. Ayun, I wanted to be at the top. I had a lot of success. You know, I reached all the dreams that I wanted, pero nawala naman sa akin si Franco. Enough of the drama. You know what? This is what you should do. Tigilan mo na ang pagbibilang ng mga nawala sa atin. Alam mo, instead, value the people that love you now. Hindi yung mga taong umiwan sa'yo. Kasi yun ang valuable eh. Sila yung mga taong who cares for you. Kasi kung hindi, alam mo, baka matulad ka sa akin. Oo, you'll reach success, you'll have so much, and yet, pati yung mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo ngayon, baka mawala pa sila.
Eto, 416, 418, at lahat ng series ng 420. Kunin mo na rin yung 425.